Yeah, 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 is 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6, so now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8, and 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and...
Hey CVA Stats students, obstacles can't stop you, problems can't stop you, and most of all, other people can't stop you. The only one who stops you is yourself. I think that's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week 22, January 24th to January 28th, 2022. Traditional, we're in collecting data. 3.4, estimating a margin of error. If I asked you guys all for your GPAs, I would be 100% accurate, 0% errors. But if I only surveyed, say, half of the class, then I would get some errors, right? Some of you guys would have a higher or lower GPA. Let's just say I just pick one student to represent it, there would be a higher margin of error. Learning goal students will be able to simulate a margin of error on their guided notes. Sense of urgency, 55% of the school year is done, guys. Got 45% more. Throw off that senioritis. Bonuses. Remember I changed the attendance participation here. Traditional students, Thrively and Khan Academy are not due this week, but next week on the 31st. Stay away from academic intervention. Week 22, we're simulating. Simulating basically means like you can't, the Rams football game this weekend, I can't interview every single fan in the stands. There's just too many. So you might simulate it by maybe interviewing 5 and then using those numbers, like how many hot dogs did you eat? Maybe the stadium's using that to kind of prepare for the next playoff game or the Super Bowl. Okay, let's take a look at our week at a glance here. I'm releasing week at a glance number 22 video on January 24th. It's a work day. Tuesday, I'm going to open up a quiz and your work is due, which I'll show you in a second. Then Wednesday, you have lesson 3.4. Thursday, I'll see you guys in class. We're going to do an activity. Our discussion is, what's it worth? Saving bonds activities, and you also have homework 3.4. And then Friday, you have lesson 3.5. I just want to peek ahead, and what I'm trying to do now is trying to give you guys 2 weeks, just so you can plan in advance, right? Because sometimes on a Friday, you're like, oh, I don't know what's going to happen the following week. Monday the 31st, week 23, week at a glance 23 will come out. You have homework 3.5. Traditional students, you have Thrively and Khan Academy due. And then Google certificate, you have your learning logs and completion of course number 4. And you can see for traditional students, you guys have a quiz coming up the following week after that. Red light, yellow light, green light tells you when you have to submit a late work assignment is when it turns red, like the first assignments or the the New Year goal setting worksheet. This is the packet we're talking about. I need all those things and including last year's quiz. So remember, you take the quiz yourself, take it like, I call it cold, meaning not without a jacket, but just take it, do your best, then maybe take your notes, and then watch it with the video solutions in there. Google certificate, I changed it to 10,000 points because that's what fits in eCadence. And don't forget your reflections, discussions, anything you need to type out, including hands-on activities, and sometimes I'll ask you to write things, or reaching out to the community and writing those. Anything you type out, take a screenshot, put it into your learning logs. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to highlight and change your answers to a different color, and don't forget to label your papers. I think that's it, guys. Sometimes you need to fight yourself so you can keep going. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's paper, nor anything that he has. I love math.